Welcome to another episode of Making It Keto. And today, guys, we're going to be making some Dirty Bird chicken bites. This will be great for the football season coming up. So if you want to know how to make it, stick around. Preferably, you want to have the chicken breast skinless, just like this, guys. And it comes from the store like this, so if you can't find it this way, I guess you can just buy the skin on and just peel it. But most of the times when you have the skin on one, it also comes with the rib, which is the bone. So you're gonna have to remove that too. So I like to clean it up a little bit like this before I start cutting it up, because these pieces we won't be able to use. So yeah, we're gonna start with our breast and we're gonna cut them up into nice sized pieces, guys. And I'm gonna show you what that looks like here in a second. All right, so what I like to do, guys, I like to sometimes probably come down the middle with it, cut it down the middle like this. Get your two pieces and then maybe an inch. You want them to be substantial, something like that, because you want to have a nice piece of chicken in the middle of the bacon, which I will show you guys. So this is what you're looking for, something like that. That's perfect. You can go a little big if you want, but that about an inch is about the perfect size. So that's kind of what you want it to be at right there. We're also going to be marinating these chicken bites. And what I like to do, guys, when I marinate them, I like to marinate it in some pickle juice. And when we get to that part, I'll show you what I like to use. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of this because we won't be able to use it. So let's get rid of that. Let's do our inch, just like that. Boom, simple. And this is something that's easy to make, guys. You can pretty much prep it the night before if you want. You can have it marinating and have everything ready to go. So, you know, the next day when you want to get up and make everything, you at least have it marinated. I like to marinate mine for about an hour or so. Overnight it'd be optimal, but you know, we all don't have that much time. So, you know, an hour is better than nothing. Also, we will be cooking on the smoker. You could do these in the oven. I don't recommend that. I just feel like you don't get that you know, that charcoal, or even if you're using a smoker, which I'll be using really a smoker, you don't get that you know, that grill flavor. It kind of take away from this recipe as you know, as a whole. So I highly prefer you do it you know, outside on the grill. But if you can't, you know, hey, gotta do what you gotta do. I mean, it'll still taste great. I believe it would, but also you will lose some of that, you know, that grill or, you know, wood flavor, because I'll be cooking it with hickory. I'll be using my my smoker, which I have loaded with hickory wood pellets. So that's going to help give it, you know, give it that outside grill flavor that you want when you're doing something like this. All right, so all our chicken is cut up. So what we want to do now is we want to marinate this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a bowl. We're going to load all these into the bowl. And like I said, guys, we can let this go for about an hour and that'll be fine. If you can't do it overnight, which I'm not, as you can see. So as you can see, guys, I have here some leftover pickle juice. Yeah, but like I said, you can use any pickle juice to do this with. So like I said, as you can see, everything is, you know, the garlic pieces and all that is still in there, which is going to bring great flavor to this chicken, guys. So let's go ahead and pour this in as much as we can, just enough to cover all of the chicken. And that'll work. You can work with that right there. I left some of that in there, so I got to get that, guys. That was enough, but I want to get that in there. Those, you know, those garlic pieces, I want to get all that in there. That is flavor. So we're gonna take it. So let's just go ahead and push everything underneath the liquids. And you can, let it sit in the refrigerator while it marinates, guys, and let it take on all that goodness, that garlic, all that goodness. So let's go ahead and get this sitting in the refrigerator for an hour. And when we had it in there for an hour, I'll be right back. All right, so our chicken has been marinating for an hour. And as you can see how it took into the fibers, starting to break them loose like that. And that's what we want, guys. We want this to help tenderize the meat. And that's exactly what it did. So an hour is good, but overnight is even better. Now that we've done this, we're going to go ahead and start wrapping them and putting them on the skewers, and I'll show you how that's going to work. All right, guys, so you have two options. You can wrap it in your regular bacon, which I have here, just standard pork bacon. All for you guys that don't do the pork, like my wife, I'll be wrapping hers in some turkey bacon. So either or would work. If you don't like the pork, you can go with the turkey bacon, which makes it even a greater versatile recipe to make on a keto, because it's still keto. All right, so I have a skewer here that we're going to use to put the chicken on. And guys, this is I probably can get 4 of them on here, but you can get any size. You just put as much as you can fit on the skewer that you got. But like I said, I'm gonna try to get 4 on this one skewer right here. Also, we're going to be adding in a pickle into the wrap. When we wrap the bacon in, we're gonna add this pickle in with it. And I'm gonna show you guys also how I'm gonna be doing that too. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and season our chicken, guys. And I'll just be using a simple Creole seasoning that I got from Walmart. But you can use whatever you like, guys. Any all-purpose seasoning that you want to use on this will be completely up to you. So what we're going to do now is we're going to dump off our pickle juice, and then we're going to season our chicken. So let's go ahead and get that done. I'll be leaving on all the little bits and pieces that came from out of the pickle juice, the garlic shavings. I think that just add more flavor to it. But you could take it all and wash it off if you want, but I'm not. I'm going to leave it on there. I think it adds more flavor. Some more juice in here. Let me dump off some more of this liquid before I season the chicken. And there, we're just going to go ahead and season everything, guys. And like I said, you can use whatever seasoning you want. It's completely up to you. I'm just using this Creole seasoning that I pretty much use on just about everything I season. I like the flavors that it has in it. But you are more welcome to use what you want to use and how much you want to use also, guys. All right, so our chicken is seasoned. And now we're going to start putting these things together on a skewer. Man, I have a hard time saying that word. Skewer. Screw it. Stick. How about that? We'll put it on a stick. All right, so I will be starting with the pork bacon first. So we just go ahead and grab that. Put that on. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and add in our pickle. And then we're going to wrap this thing up, guys, just like this. Make sure you get it nice and tight on there. And once you do that, go ahead and stick your screw through and put it through. Just like that, guys. Simple. All right, so now we have everything on the sticks, and this is what you got, guys. Like I said, I was able to get 4. We have some turkey here with the turkey bacon, and this is with the regular bacon. And like I said, if you don't like pork, this would be a perfect substitute for that. But anyhow, we have our grill preheating already. I'll be cooking this on my smoker at 350 degrees, and I'll be temping everything with my temperature prober. So I'll be cooking everything in about 175. Once it reaches that, then I'll pull it off the grill. Also, guys, if you're cooking on like a charcoal grill, you want to cook these over indirect heat. You don't want it directly over the charcoal, because then it will cook faster on certain areas and it will cause it to cook uneven and you'll end up burning it and all sorts of other stuff. So if you do it on a charcoal grill, just do it indirect. Set your charcoal up on one side and then cook on the other side, and then just keep temping it until you get to the 175. Anyhow, let's go ahead and put this on the grill and let's get these things cooked. Let you guys know what it tastes like. All right. So we got, guys, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Came out beautiful. All right. Cheers. Oh man. You guys are gonna love this. All right, so that's it for today's video, guys. Here's another great recipe, another great idea, another day making keto easy. You guys already know what the motto is here. We're making keto easy by making everything keto. Remember, guys, if you ain't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and get subscribed, because I got a lot of great recipes I think you guys will love. And if you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if there's anything you want me to try to make keto, go ahead and comment in the description box below and let me know what you guys want and what you think of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.